Hey, I'm with Seb and there's something new behind us. What is it, Seb?
New Tweety Bird car.
Tweety Bird car. It's a Mitsubishi Lancer, but not any Lancer, is it?
No.
It's a Mitsubishi Lancer VRX. Rear spoiler and body kit. Oh, sounds good.
I know.
And are you getting some like stickers for it? Tweety Bird stickers?
Might get something.
Wow.
Not sure yet.
It rides well, it's nice and smooth.
It is.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
What's the longest ride you've done in it yet? So far?
No, I haven't gone very far. I just sort of like past Mission Bay
Yeah.
and back around.
Yeah.
It's kind of as far as I got.
It's got driver and passenger airbags. It's quite roomy too, isn't it?
It's not bad. It's pretty good. Apparently it's quite a bit bigger than.
Well, she does like big cars. She likes big.
Fine. So
Well,
it was good, yes. No, I got a text on Saturday.
What
And I'm like, what does this mean? I better double check that.
It's a 2 litre 16 valve motor, and look at that strut race. It is such a blue racer car. It's so cool.